Instagram is a platform where people scroll content and use emojis to react with them. Wouldn't it be better if we could use GIFs to react instead of emojis? Well, you can do that, and now comment on a GIF on Instagram posts. Instagram first released the feature to use GIFs in comments on a version in February. But as of now, this feature has been rolled out globally and most users can access it. So before you proceed any further, make sure the Instagram app on your App Store or Play Store is updated to the latest version. Before moving ahead, the procedure remains the same for both iPhone and Android apps. Open Instagram on your phone, tap on the comment icon under a post. Look for the GIF icon to tap on it. Now you will see a bunch of suggested GIFs on Instagram. One cool thing about this is Instagram has also integrated Giphy, so you can use the search bar to find the GIF of your choice. Once you find the GIF of your liking, tap on it, and that's it. So what if you have accidentally selected the wrong GIF to comment? There is no way to edit the comment. However, you can delete the comment and send one with the right GIF. Long tap on the comment with a GIF that you want to delete. Once you delete it, you can post another comment while carefully selecting the correct one. As of now, you cannot insert a GIF from your gallery on Instagram comments, and unfortunately, this feature is not available on the web version of Instagram. If you can't see the GIF icon inside your Instagram app next to the comment box, make sure you are using the latest version of the app. That's all for now. If you like this guide, make sure to follow and subscribe to Guiding Tech for more tutorials for your iPhone and other tech products. And make sure to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.